Simplify the following expression. Notice that 3 is a prime factor of all the parts of the expression. You've got a 3 there, 3 squared there, and a 3 cubed there. So start by factorising the 9 and the 27. So 3 to the 4x is there, there's the 9, 3 times 3 is 9, and there's the 27, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Now let's remove the brackets. 3 to the 4x, that's 3 to the 2x times 3 to the 2x, which gives us 3 to the 4x, and we've got 3 to the x times 3 to the x times 3 to the x, which is 3 to the 3x. Okay, so we've got 4x and 4x, which means we've got 3 to the 8x in the numerator and 3 to the 3x in the denominator. So 8 minus 3 gives us 5, so the answer is 3 to the 5x. In this example, we'll start by expanding the brackets. E to the 2x cubed gives us e to the 6x, so there's e to the minus 3x, which is there, e to the 6x, which was the bracket, e to the 4y is there. In the numerator we've got e to the minus 3x times e to the 6x, which gives us e to the 3x there. We've got e to the minus y there, and if we divide that into e to the 4y there, we're actually going to subtract minus y, which means that we get e to the 5y. So minus 3x plus 6x gives us e to the 3x, and e to the 4y divided by e to the minus y gives us e to the 5y. And then finally divide that e to the 2x into the e to the 3x, so we'll get e to the x plus 5y. So you could write that as two terms or as a single term, as I've done it there. And that's the answer to part B. Before we start part C, let's remember that log and exponential are inverse operations. The exponential is sometimes called the antilog. So the log, this is the natural log, so the natural log of e to the something is equal to something, whatever that happens to be. And also e to the log of something is the same as something. So in this case the log undoes the exponential, and in this case the exponential undoes the log. They're inverse operations. So with that in mind, let's look at the question. Before we start, let's just take this bit here, which is the 3 to the 3 log x. That's the same as log x to x cubed. So I've not changed the numerator here, I've just moved that 3 inside the bracket of the denominator. So now we've got log of e to the 3x, and we've got e to the log of x cubed. I can simplify that to be 3x over x cubed. I'll divide an x top and bottom, so that gives me either 3 over x squared or 3x to the minus 2.